Hey Christian, I want to watch too.
No, I want to watch SpongeBob alone.
But Christian, I want to watch SpongeBob with you, so we can have fun.
I don't care, Sarah. I don't want to watch SpongeBob with you. I want to watch SpongeBob alone. Now go away.
Let me watch SpongeBob together. Please, Christian.
Sarah, I'm tired of bothering you while I'm watching SpongeBob. Now peace off and let me watch SpongeBob alone, or else I will take you under my feet.
Oh my God, Marie. How dare you flip me off? That's it. I'm going to bully you.
No. Dolphin. Get away from me. Dolphin, stop bullying me. Stop. I got to hide in the basement.
Where are you, Marie?
I'm in the locker.
I'm going to open up. But I will scare you. There you are, loser.
Wow, I love my baby doll. I'm going to play with it. My baby doll.
And growing girl, don't play with stupid doll. I'm going to throw your baby doll out of the window. You'll never play with it again.
No. You threw my baby doll out of the window. Yummy. This hamburger is so delicious. Dolphin. Give me back my hamburger and soda bottle, and I'm hungry.
Now I'm going to make you wet with soda.
Don't make me wet. I'm sorry, Dolphin.
Shut up, Marie. Your apology is not working. There. I made you wet. Now I'm going to throw soda at your face.
I think I might be able to stop Romeo. Look, use her super strength. Can't.
Gecko, where are you?
Fluttering. Whoa! Uh-oh. Fluttering frozen feathers.
Because you're evil. Evil! And if I don't stop you, you're gonna ruin my brother's life! Okay, here we go!
This little triangle has 3 sides. This little triangle has 3 sides. This little triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 sides.
This little square has 4 sides. This little square has 4 sides. This little square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides.
minutes later.
I've always wanted to get all dressed up just like a real...
Please take the shape of a long round arch with its that high above and its two ends apparently beyond the horizon.
It looks good on ya.
Green, green! Uh-oh! I think my go-kart is broken. Maybe I should just give up.
Shower.
Grammy! My Grammy needs help! Needs help!
Lunch hour.
Needs help!
Busy lunch.
Grammy! Grammy! Help!
Lunch hour.
Grammy! My Grammy needs help!
One busy. This is one busy lunch hour.
Grammy! My Grammy needs help!
Yeah, it's a scary beast with sharp claws and a terrifying tail. Whoever's not afraid of the beastie becomes the Whisker Haven Night Guard. It's true!
Beastie.
Yes, it's A. It's a scary beast with sharp claws and a terrifying tail. Whoever's not afraid of the beastie becomes the Whisker Haven Night Guard.
Air. Girls first.
After you. What's that? Could it be the beastie?
Meows's. It's the beastie. It's true.
The beastie? Yes, it's a scary beast with sharp claws and a terrifying tail. Whoever's not afraid of the beastie becomes the Whisker Haven Night Guard. Girls first. After you. What's that? Could it be the beastie? Yowzers! It's a beastie! It's true! You know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. And you wanna show it if you're happy. You wanna and you know it. And you if you're standing your feet. Know it. Happy. done playing. We're hungry now. Мишка, мы наигрались. Есть хотим? Stamp your feet. Know it and know it and the end, you know it. Clap your hands. Know it if you're happy and if you stamp your feet. If we do all three, you know it.
Ready, buddy? Ready? All right, Dan. Get her done. Trixie, no! Balloons loose! Stay calm! Everyone needs to stay calm!
Wait, what's this? Oh my god!
Mr. Ben lost all of his color. This is ridiculous.
No! What's happened to the color? Got no more color!
You're right. It's losing all its color. Oh no, Professor! The clubhouse!
We both lost all emails. I am on a slide.
It's worse than I thought. We're inside the color bind. Police! She's gone!
Come. Yeah.
Oh no, those are not
Oh, 5 Bob. Oops, Bob.
magic words. Are those the right magic words?
Yeah.
Oh no, those are not the right magic words. Oh. code 0005.
What this?
I'm out.
Oh no, what's happened?
Whoa, up, and away.
Oh my, where's the ground go?
Handy, Glovey,
Goodbye,
please come down.
orange creature. See you later.
Whoops, I said the wrong magic words, good lord.
Umi City! Uh-oh! The shape bandit must have taken shapes from my realistic world. Let's go see what it is. Look! All the shapes are gone in my real world too!
Look! Some of the circled traffic lights are missing. And it's causing a big traffic jam.
Uh-oh! The fire hydrant doesn't have a cap, so all the water is shooting out. What's missing from that bus?
The tire.
The tire, yeah! Oh no! All the shapes in the real world are gone too!
This just in. Breaking news. A shape bandit
Strange! Uh-oh!
not in it.
He must be on his way to his world. This is my talent power!
Jump.
But I don't slide onto the floor! Uh-oh! Light bubble! Oh no! We're all stuck inside bubbles! This super mud bubble is too super strong!
I can't pop it.
Neither can I! Well, now we just need some way to get louder! Super
Shapes! You know what I'm talking about? Super duper shapes! New house. I must give back all the shapes I took.
He's returning all the shapes to Umi City! And the shapes are going back to our worlds too!
The wheel is back on the bus.
And the windows are on the building again! My alarm!
My pizza!
With shape and have some fun. Everybody crazy.
Green! It's been one of those.
Hey, helicopter!
Whoa! Make mess, make mess.
Uh-oh, the gizmo switch got flipped from make clean to make mess.
Make mess, make mess.
Oh no! They all got switched to make mess!
Make mess, make mess. They're making a mess all over the place.
Had a farm. My name's Jay. Animals? Hey, animals! Nice farm. My name's Jack. Have you ever heard the song Old MacDonald Had a Farm? Well, it's a lot of fun. It's about animals on the farm just like you. Would you like to hear it? How about you, kids? Yay! Awesome! Here goes! Wow! Wow! Now that was a lot of fun! Thanks for watching! Bye!
I hope to see you soon for... Fair wins, mateys! I hope to see you soon for a new challenge. Here, I'm playing with Scully!
Ready? Hey, buddy? Ready? What? Ready? All right. Hey, buddy? Well, you remember, you deserve two. What? Ready, buddy? Ready. All right, then. Get her done.
I tell wrong way.
Really caught you, Big D.
You don't know Lieutenant Lightning McQueen.
Looks like we finally caught you, Big D.
Oh, no, McQueen!
Tow meter is go.
Okie dokie.
One. Ignition. Bolster collar. Excellent.
So there I was.
17
Nothing compared to you.
Oh, yeah! Oh, this is awesome!
So jump for joy and let's jam! Uh-oh. Now we're in trouble.
You interruptions.
for that helicopter!
Uh-oh, the gizmo switch got flipped from make clean to make mess. Oh no, they all got switched to make mess.
They're making a mess all over the place.
Everybody say, oh, toodles!
Oh, toodles!
All that's left is the Mystery Mouse-Gatool. Everybody say, Mystery Mouse-Gatool!
Mystery Mouse-Gatool!
And today's Mystery Mouse-Gatool is... Space Pirate Pete!
Now everybody say, oh, Toodles! Oh, Toodles! All I got left is the green. Everybody say, give me the green. Give me the green. Oh, Mickey the Space Captain Mouse?
I am the...
How's this for a coward?
How's this for a doofus?
And I may be small, Pete, but I've got friends that make me 10 feet tall.
Oh, nuts.
Timber!
I hate happy endings.
I've lost track. Third time's the charm. Or is it fifth? I've lost track. All that matters is that the runway is finished. I think you mean the dock. Oh, tomato, tomato. Let's celebrate!
Okay, here we go.
This little triangle has 3 sides. This little triangle has 3 sides. This little triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 sides.
This little square has 4 sides. This little square has 4 sides. This little square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides.
Something to help us. Everybody say, oh, toodles! Oh, toodles!
Oh, Bill Clinton, I'm gonna push over that cow. Oh, there we go, I did it!
But I am going to kick this doghouse down! 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 Down!
I've had it! This pie gets delivered now!
Oops.
Toodles! Oh, toodles!
Yeah?
Are you all right?
Both of you get out of here. Now. Mommy! Bambi, run!
Bambi.
Speeding servers! Here come some of the racers now!
Hey! That dump truck is cutting in the line! Oh no! Someone popped my balloon! Who popped my balloon? Dump truck!
There's Counting Comet!
Yip yip yippee!
Counting Comet, you're back!
Mom! Dad! He made it back to his family!
We missed you so much.
I missed you too!
Do you think Counting Comet is happy to be back home with his family? Yeah, I think so too.
Thanks for all your help, Team Umizoomi. I'll never forget you.
You're welcome, Counting Comet.
We'll never forget you either. Keep in touch, little buddy. So long.
Oh no! Merlin accidentally zapped the fairy tale book!
The magic is making all the characters fly out of the book. And it's sending them far, far away. I'm gonna keep
Happily.
making all the characters fly out of the book. And it's sending them far, far away. Diddy!
Hey, where are we?
I don't know. This isn't our fairy tale book. Let's get out of here! I'm gonna keep on running till I find my way home. Oh no! They're going all over Umi City. Here we go. Let's go.
Now, to send all the fairy tale characters home, I just have to wave my wand and say, hippity, hoppity, home! Say it with me.
Hippity, hoppity, home!
Oh, it's good to be home.
We're home! Now we can all live happily ever after.
Thank you, Team Umizoomi, for bringing us back where we belong.
Aw, you're welcome, everyone. Here is as big as an elephant! The Forte Giant! Where's the Forte Giant? He's by those flowers. Right.
Quick, Rocket, hide!
Everybody say, "Oh, toodles!" Oh, toodles!
Oh, everybody say, oh, toodles! Oh, toodles! We've got to hurry! We can't miss the big birthday shindig! Super fast! Super fast!
Wake up, little... Hello? 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 Wake up, little friends. Wherever you are, spring is coming.
Princess Twilight! Princess Twilight!
Snakes! Snakes!
Good morning, friends.
Wow, that trip was out of this world!
Oh, but I have something. Toodles! Oh, toodles!
Wow, that trip was out of this world!
Go, 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 we're on landing!
Hammer, drill, saw.
This time I'm gonna kick that football clear to the moon!
Look over there! 3 big bulls! Hey, look! Their gate is open! And the bulls are walking out!
And now they're running.
They're chasing us! We've got to do something! They're catching up!
Wait, I have an idea.
Uh-oh.
Okay, bye guys.
Oh,
It was really nice meeting you.
How are you?
See you later, you guys. In the big global city.
Cowboy.
Boots, 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 boots.
The bull just fell off that robot, and now he's going haywire.
Sneakers, sneakers, sneakers.
Now the red robot's bolt fell off. And the blue one, too.
They're all going haywire.
It's so scary. Yeah.
Ow!
Huge! Like dinosaur big!
Everyone inside!
What's happening?
Moonlight picnics, friends. Sunny days that last forever. Moonlight picnics, friends together. Wishes leading to a dream or two.
But in the end, having my new friends is the greatest wish come true.
In the end, having our good friends is still the greatest wish come true.
Luna, Chip, and Inky, best friends forever.
No problems too tough
When we solve it together.
Sure. We've got ears. Say cheers.
Maybe a mousetool can help you. Everybody say, "Oh, toodles!" Oh, toodles! All that's left is the mystery mousetool. Everybody say, "Mystery mousetool!" Mystery mousetool! What's today's mystery mousetool?
Wow, it's a tricycle!
We picked all our mousetool. Say, super cheers!
Launch me exactly the same way you did for
Chuck, is that you? This is the House of Horrors!
Chugga, 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 chugga. Choo choo. Oh no! Oh no! I can't play with my friends. Tolly's crying.
This is a truck.
Why would you do that? That's not funny at all! Why would you do that to me?
Oh, I'm making great time. This shortcut is a lifesaver. At least not much is broken.
And you won't ever see it again either. Say so long to your seashell. Say so long.
It's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. Squirrels say goodbye. That's good. Squirrel. A squirrel.
What do you want?
Mande aqueles 50 pinguins para bem longe.
Ah, não! Os pinguins!
Santos circuitos! Os filhotes de pinguins estão flutuando para longe.
Sorry! Sorry! Excuse me! So sorry!
This is the last batch.
Sorry! Sorry!
Very well, get on with it then.
Slow down, Chief! I can't keep up!